The internet is literally a gold mine that can generate for you more money than a 9-to-5 worker, even at the peak of his career. But you have really got to dig. Now, this side hustle that I'm about to dig up for you, because that's why I'm here, this side hustle that I'm about to dig up for you is one that have made lots of money for people. Now, see, this is my wealth diary, and this is an Etsy store, and this person has made over 9,735 sales, and averaging, this individual has most likely made an average of $194,700. And you can see this is a whole lot of money that you can do on the side. Okay, now in order to mirror this kind of results, you can see this individual, my wealth diary, literally has a page, and you can see from the look of this kind of page, you literally cannot even know who owns it. You cannot even know where or what or who owns it. But you can see that from this actual page, this person has been able to generate this amount of money for herself or for himself just on the side. Okay, now in order to do this and mirror this result, you are going to be doing, or you are going to be creating, what is called theme pages. Yes, theme pages. What are theme pages? Now, a theme page is an account or social media account that focuses on a specific theme, specific topic, or a specific niche. And of course, for example, this could range from wellness. You can see this particular one. This is a theme page. It could range from fitness. You can see fitness. This is the same, just like the other part. It could range from finance. You can see this. It is a theme page. Or it could be pets. So basically, your theme page can be anything. It can go as far as motivation, as far as, you know, whatever you want to do, you can literally make a theme page out of it. You can literally make a theme page out of a particular niche. Now, in this video, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a theme page, how you can generate content for your theme page, and how you can make money from it, how easy you can do it without, like I said, without continuously having to bring up content, continuously having to record yourself, or try to get extra fascinating contents and ideas and all of that. Now, if I were to do this, or if I were to show you how you can mirror this, first of all, you need to go to ChatGPT. And at this point, you should literally make ChatGPT your friend, because ChatGPT can literally do a lot. So now what you want to do is you want to give ChatGPT a command, because the more command you give to ChatGPT, or the quality of your command determines the more quality response it gives back. So you may just want to put in something like, for example, if you're going into the finance niche. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to ChatGPT, and you may want to write, generate 20 viral and relatable content ideas on how to improve your finance. And you're just going to go there. It could be something else, but something of that sort. And ChatGPT is just going to keep giving you, depending. If you say 50, ChatGPT will give you 50. Now you're going to start taking out this content, because ChatGPT has already done the work for you. Now you can see 5 simple budgeting hacks that actually work. So these content ideas are what you can now begin to elaborate on. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can create this. But first of all, before you begin creating the content, of course, you need to leverage on like Instagram or TikTok, or even YouTube. So if you're leveraging on Instagram, definitely you would have to, create a page, a new page. Now, what you are going to do is you create your Instagram page, and now you are just going to go into InVideo AI, and you are going to input that command that you want it to give you. Give me a 1-minute video, because of course you are going for Instagram, and Instagram reels and stuff like that. You want something short, hit the nail on the head. And basically what this InVideo AI is going to do is going to take your command, it's going to analyze it, and it is going to bring it in form of that video, just of course, just how you have commanded it for it to do. Now you can see in InVideo AI, this is the cool thing about InVideo AI, because you can choose to select your audience. Is your audience young adults or finance and enthusiasts, so that it can give you the kind of feel as relating to your audience. So let's pick young adults. The look and feel, should it be like a minimalistic, modern, or professional, or inspiring? So we want to choose professional. And the platform, You can choose either the YouTube, LinkedIn, or Facebook. So you may want to choose Facebook, since Facebook and Instagram kind of has similar size. Yes, similar size. You want to click and begin to generate your video. Now, once it has generated your video, it gives you, which is very beautiful, it gives you the opportunity. For example, if it should have created your videos and you did not like it, it gives you the opportunity to either edit. Here, that's editing the script that it has given you, and you can also edit by giving it a command to edit the video. So literally, this is the real deal.
In the realm of finance, every decision is a stepping stone towards prosperity. Here are 5 savvy strategies to bolster your financial health. 1. Create an adaptable budget. It's like a financial GPS, guiding you towards your goals while allowing for detours.
And you can see how amazing and on point that video was. When you see something like this, when you see something this good, you would expect it to almost cost like a fortune. But this is the upgrade plan, or the pricing plan is quite very affordable. You can see for the upgrade plan is just $20 per month, and you can see that it has a free version. It doesn't, you don't need to try for just 3 or 4 times. You can make use of it and keep trying as much as you want. So you can get to access it for $0 per month. However, like on the video I showed, it may contain like stock images and it contains watermark. So however, one of the upgrade plan is to get rid of the stock watermark and also the InVideo watermark out of it. But aside that, you can literally try and you can get it, you can download it, you can edit it, and you can continue to reuse it day after day, month after month, year after year. Now down to the juiciest part, which is where a lot of you would be waiting to hear, is how can I get juice out of this? How can I make money if I'm creating team pages on either wellness or either fitness, on finance, or on pets, or whatever it is? How can I get money from it? And one of the ways you can make money from this is through advertising. Like the name team page, because you are focusing on a specific niche or on a specific topic, it will you would be a very good place for people related in that same niche to put out advertising. For example, if you are in the fitness niche, a company that does a tea that encourages weight loss, the company can reach out to you to advertise your product. And one thing you would want to do basically is, for example, you can put up the link in your bio. You can see that. Then when you post out your content, you can link it up in the description or in the comment section for your customers or for your prospects to go there and get it, while you may get a commission or you may be paid for the advertising. However, this part, you need to have a level of followers. You need to have a level of people. You can see this individual has 1.9 million followers. So you need to have a level of base people, like base followers, because any advertiser that wants to reach out to you wants people to buy. So this is where you need to put the work. So as long as it's automated, does not mean you do not, it doesn't mean it's a get rich quick or an overnight thing that happens overnight. You need to build up, you need to put in the work, but definitely in due time, you will begin to see results. So now another way that you can make money from these team pages is by having your own digital products. Yes. So aside having to get like digital products from other companies or advertise products for other companies, you can actually create your products. And you can see this My Wealth Diary that I gave as an example, who has 100,000 followers, actually did well by leveraging on this her team page on Instagram to direct them to her Etsy shop, where she actually, or he, I don't know why I'm soaking on she, I really do not know the gender of this person. So where this person actually sells spreadsheet items that help you for your budgeting and your investment, your expense tracker. You can see the person basically deals on spreadsheets. If you are going into like the finance team page, you can want to leverage on things like ebooks. Same thing, if you do not have idea, you can basically go to chatgpt and tell chatgpt, give me ebook ideas for finance. It's going to give you so many ideas. ChatGPT may not always be the way you want it, because it is an AI, so you want to filter the best and see the one that you can leverage on and of course do very well in it. You can list your ebook on Amazon, of course you can put it on Etsy, or you can even attach it to your team pages. So when you create a team pages and you make a post, you don't need to make your post all salesy, but with strategy, you can attach those digital products that you've made. Probably when you post something, in the description, you can write it there. Check the link in my bio or in the comments, you can write it there just to chip it in. And of course, you'd have people going there. Like I said, this is not a get rich quick scheme overnight. It's not something you start out and immediately overnight. So it's something you still need and require effort. Anything that must do well and that will be successful would still require effort. But however, I have literally shown you the 80% work of it. And this is something that any single person can do, even if you cannot speak English. Yes, you heard me. Now, before you ask me in the comment section, the video, the AI app I made mention of is InVideo AI, and you can easily access it by going to ai.invideo.io. You can see it written here, ai.invideo.io. So let me know where you are watching from, and let me know if you have any questions. Where you're watching from, please comment it. If you have any questions, do well to leave it in the comments, and do not forget to smash the subscribe button. If you haven't, make sure to join the family. I drop much more content on how to make money online, how to leverage tools and resources online to make the best use out of it and juice out some cash. So I remain TFI, and I help to show you ways on how to make money online. So stay tuned and bye.